Hey guys, welcome to Eat with Tammy. Today we're having brown stew chicken, which you can see here, and white rice with corn. How you guys doing today? This is Jamaican style brown stew chicken, guys. I'm here. So today we're going to talk about fake supporters. Before I do that, let me give you the first bite. It's rice and chicken. Take a bite. There you go. Enjoy. Let me eat first before I start talking. Guys, it's so good. Corn is yummy. Yeah, guys, so let me tell you, I'm not acting these fake supporters. They come to your channel, they act like they're giving you love, and the minute you give them love back, within a day, not even a day, sometime within the same day, they unfriend you. You're so annoying. Like, if you're not gonna be true, don't come to my page. Don't try it. I don't like it, you know? I'd rather stay where I'm at than you try to be fake and come to me and you're not really supporting me. Take another bite, guys. I don't like fake people. Just stay off, you know? We're all in this together. You trying to undermine me to get ahead, it's only going to hurt you in the long run. It might hurt me now because it's the beginning, but I might have the last laugh. I don't think that's right. But that's the type of world we live in today, you know? That's the kind of society we have. It's very sad. Very, very sad. I don't know what we're going to grow up and tell people, but it's so sad. I don't like it. All you fake people, don't even bother come this way. Just stay where you are. I'll stay in my lane, you stay in yours. If you're going to support me, and I'll support you right back. I hate fake people. Yes, guys, I chew my bone. I do. Not always, though. It's not a lot of food, guys. I'm trying to cut back on my eating. But guys, these fake people are getting on my nerves. They are. They're getting on my nerves big time. Irritating. So I'm there thinking, oh, my page is growing, everything's growing, I'm getting this, I'm getting that. And then to find out they unfriend me, just like that. Irritated. Like, seriously. I know you guys are going through the same thing. I'm not the only one. I just had a live, and Thick and Meaty says she's going to talk about it tonight. By the time you see this, though, it's going to be way after her live. But Thick and Meaty's going to talk about it. Val and Coco's been talking about it. Jamaican Girl 123 has been talking about it. A lot of people are talking about it. It's irritating. It's not fair. Not fair. It's a lot of work going to these things. They think it's easy just going out there, being on people live and stuff. It's not easy. So, it's very irritating, guys. Very, very irritating. I don't know what's gonna happen, but in the end, I know I'm gonna have the last laugh. So all you fakers, y'all could go away. Go away. Guys, look, I'm almost done. Told you, it wasn't a lot of food today. But I had to come talk to you real quick. Had to come and do my little rant. Excuse my background, guys. And just like that, guys, it's all done. Excuse my background, as again I said. So sorry about that. But it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.